Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss the quadratic equation, the solution of the quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. First one method is factorization, second one is by completing square, and third one is by using quadratic formula. But in exercise 1.1, question number 2, the statement of the question is that solve by factorization. We will solve the quadratic equation with the help of the factorization method. Solve means we will find the value of the variable which is present in the question. Okay, there are three parts according to SMART syllabus. So we will solve part number 2 first. 3y square minus 3y square is equal to y into y minus 5. First of all, my dear students, we will multiply y with the values which are inside the bracket. It will become y square minus 5y. Now we will write all the values to left hand side. We will take by taking the inverse of the right hand side. 3y square minus y square plus 5y is equals to 0. 3y square minus y square equals to 2y square. We will write 5y as it is. Now you know that in factorization the first rule is that we will take the common. So there is the y is the common value. So we will take y as common and get 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Now this is the product of two values, y into 2y plus 5 equals to 0. You know that the rule that if the product of any values are equals to 0, it means that at least one value must be equals to 0. So here we will suppose that, for example, if y equals to 0, or it may be that 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So we will put these two values as it is. There is no further solution in this side. So we will move to this side. 2y plus 5 equals to 0. We will write the inverse of 5 to the right hand side and get minus 5. 2y equals to minus 5. We will divide the equation by 2 and get y equals to minus 5 by 2. Now we have two values of y which cannot be further solved. So this is a solution set. Solution set is 0 or minus 5 by 2, means these two values will satisfy that equation. Part number 4, x square minus 11x is equals to 152. First of all, we will write all the values to the left hand side. X square minus 11x minus 152 equals to 0. And now, my dear student, you know that the rule. In this method, we will break the midterm. This midterm will be break. How we can break? We will break this term, these values as in this form that if we will add or subtract, then we will get minus 11. Or if we will multiply that values, the splitted values, then we have the product of 152 like this. So how can we find that particular pair? So we will move to the rough work. Here, since you know that the product value is constant value is minus 152, so we will write 152 here, and we will take the prime factorization method. 2 7s are 14, 1 here will carry and it will make the 12. 2 6s are 12. So again 2 3s are 6 and 2 8s are 16, and again when by dividing 19 2s are 38. This is also the prime number. So you can see that 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If we will multiply 8 by 19, we will get 152. And if we will subtract 8 from 19, we will get 11. So we will make the pair of minus 19 plus 8. Because this is a negative value, so we will put the negative sign with the greater value. So minus 19x plus 8x minus 152. And now in next step we will take the x as a common from first two values. So it will become x into x minus 19, and we will take 8 as common from next two values. It will become 8 into x minus 19. You can see that x minus 19 is again common. So we will take x minus 19 as common, and it will become x minus 19 into x plus 8 equals to 0. And now, my dear students, again there are two possibilities that if it may be 0 equal to 0 or it may be equal to 0. So we will put these two values equal to 0 and get the values of x, which are equals to -8 and 19. Now part number 5. This question is written in the form of the fractions. So first of all, to remove the denominator, we will multiply the equation by 12x into x plus 1, because there are three denominators, 12, x and x plus 1. So we will multiply each term by 12x into x plus 1, and we will get x will be cancelled by x, and here 12 and x plus 1 are same, so we will take the square, and 12x into x is equals to 12x square is equals to 25x into x plus 1. So remove the bracket by using the formula x square plus 2x plus 1, plus write other values as it is, and here 25x into x equals to 25x square, 25x into 1 equals to 25x. So we will combine, we will remove the bracket, and then we will combine all the values, and after that we will get by addition or subtraction, we will get minus x square minus x plus 12 equals to 0. We will multiply this equation by -1 because there is no rule to write the this is the negative value in the factorization method. So we will multiply this equation by -1 and get x square plus x minus 12 equals to 0, and we will split this form. 4 3s are 12. The combination is 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So we will break this mid term and get 4x plus 3x minus 12 as it is. And by taking x as common, it will become x plus 4, and 3 as common, we will get x plus 4 again. My dear students, you can see that x plus 4 is the common. So we will take x plus 4 as common and write the other values like x minus 3. Their product is equals to 0. It means both values, we will put both values equals to 0. So x plus 4 equals to 0 means x is equals to -4, and if we will put x minus 3 equals to 0, then we will get x is equals to plus 3. So their solution set is 3 and -4. Okay.